Today I'm doing lawnmower maintenance. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to remove your blade and sharpen it. So disconnect your spark plug wire first. Grab something heavy to hold down your arm here. I've got a 35-pound plate. Put that into position. Let's see, what size wrench am I going to need? Probably one of these opened ends will work. Looks like maybe a 15 or a 17. It's not a 15 or a 17. Awesome. Fantastic. Let me get the right size wrench. A 15 or a 17 is probably a 16. What do you guys think? Or maybe an American size. Highly doubtful. And turn it to the left. And your blade's off. The next thing you want to do is sharpen it. So the next thing you want to do is set your blade up in an anvil or something like that to hold it steady while you grind the edge here. If you're fortunate enough to have a grinder, that's awesome. I have a grinder, but I don't have the grinding attachment. I just have a cutting wheel, but I'm going to make that work. So what you want to do is just keep this at the same angle that it's at, but give it a nice edge on it, because right now it's, I mean, you can see it's dull. It's not doing anything. So here we go. So as you can see, what's happening is it's getting a nice sharp blade on it, and that's what you want, so it cuts the grass nice and easy. Just go ahead and do that all the way down on this side, flip your blade, do it on the other side. So this is what you should be looking at after sharpening. A nice sharp blade, nice and crisp, nice uniform angle going all the way down. So then flip that over, do that on the other side, reinstall your blade, and you're ready to roll. Thank you for watching. And this is what it looks like reinstalled. I went ahead and cleaned up all the crap that was around the shaft and everything. And you're ready to go cut some grass. Looking good.